Every year, thousands of lives are lost to a silent, deadly threat, one that lingers in workplaces, unnoticed and unresolved. Asbestos. Once praised for its durability, now one of the most lethal workplace hazards. The danger isn't just in the past, it's still around us today. Despite regulations and safety measures, asbestos remains in older buildings, industrial plants, and even protective gear. When disturbed, it releases microscopic fibers, deadly particles that embed themselves in the lungs, leading to devastating illnesses like mesothelioma, lung cancer, and asbestosis. The most alarming fact: these diseases take years, even decades to surface. By the time symptoms appear, it's often too late. But there is a way to protect workers and industries. Industrial PPE manufacturers, sellers, and safety brands. Your role is crucial. The right protective equipment saves lives, preventing exposure before it's too late. But is the industry doing enough? Are we truly equipping workers with the best defense? Join us this year in Berlin at HSE Nexus and Expo 2025, an exclusive gathering of safety leaders, experts, thought leaders, and PPE innovators. Showcase your solutions. Connect with industry decision makers. Be part of the movement toward safer workplaces. Safety isn't an option, it's a necessity. Take action. Be at the forefront of workplace protection. Let's build a future free from asbestos risks. Reserve your spot today. Visit our website woolcus.com to learn more. See you in Berlin.